Stop scrolling, this saves you 10 hours of work every week. AI is not the future anymore. It is already here. Here are 5 AI websites that will change how you work and create. Number 1, ChatGPT, your AI assistant that helps you learn, write, and solve problems fast. Number 2, Perplexity AI, an AI search engine with smart, sourced answers. Number 3, Canva AI, create stunning designs and visuals in minutes. Number 4, Gamma AI, turn one idea into a professional presentation instantly. Number 5, Leonardo AI, generate jaw-dropping AI images from your imagination. These are not just trends, they are the new way of working. AI is evolving daily. Adapt now, or get left behind. Follow NextVN Labs, the future of technology starts here.